Hello everyone. It's a new day and new task I'm working on. So this is the MOSFET switch prototype that I built. Testing it, I designed this rig especially for testing this switch, and all the wires are connected, and uh, I connected this to the main plug and nothing exploded. So I am hoping everything is fine. Now I need to figure out how to code the Arduino, and once I finish that, then I will start testing and spinning this fan. So stay tuned for more updates incoming. Once I finish this test and I confirm this is a successful uh, switch, then I will share a video about how I designed the schematic, how I uh, make this PCB using this CNC machine, and I will share a lot more updates and details about this switch then, and I will start testing it tomorrow because I need to learn the Arduino coding first, and hope for the best, and let's hope we can successfully test it out and everything works fine. So that's all for today. Have a great day. Peace.